Roles and functions of competition. Detail going on. Competition is considered to be very healthy and necessary social process. It is indispensable in social life. It has played a major role in the survival of human beings. It is the basic level of life. It is extremely dynamic. It performs many useful functions in society. It performs both positive and negative functions. They are briefly maintained below. First, positive functions. First, positive function. Assignment of right individual to proper place. Competition assigns right individual to a place in the social system. It provides the individuals better opportunities to satisfy their desires for new experiences and recognition. It believes it achieved status. It supers individuals and groups on to exert their best efforts. Competition determines who is to perform what function. The division of labor and specialization of function in modern life are the products of competition. It fulfills one's desire for higher status, which one can achieve by struggling and competing. Second, source of motivation. Competition motivates others to excel or to obtain recognition or to win an award. The practice of awarding prizes and scholarship to those who occupies the few top position on the merit is designed to foster creativity and promote striving excellency. Competition stimulates achievement by lifting the levels of aspiration for which some individuals work harder for successes. Third, conducive to progress. Healthy and fair competition is considered essential for economic, social as well as technological and scientific progresses. Through competition, a proper man is selected and placed in the proper place. It is obvious that when a proper man is in the proper place, the technological and general progresses of the society cannot be hampered. People make their best efforts when they find themselves in competition. It is competition which has made inventions and discoveries in different fields possible. Next, negative functions of competition are detail going on. First negative function, competition may lead to frustration. Competition may create emotional disturbances. It may develop unfriendly and unfavorable attitudes among the persons or groups toward one another. Unfair and unhealthy competition has the most disintegrating effect. It may lead to neurosis through frustration and violation of the rules by those who fail in the struggle for status according to the rules of game. Second, competition may lead to monopoly. Unlimited competition in a capitalist economy gives rise to monopoly. It throws the real needs of the people into waste and cause starvation in the midst of plenty. It may cause fear, insecurity, instability, and panic. For example, in the economic field, businessmen seek to protect themselves against competition. That is, they erecting tough barriers against foreign competition by agreeing upon prices. Laborers unite for protecting their wages, and bureaucrats protect themselves through their associations. Three, competition may lead to conflict. Competition, if it is uncontrolled, may lead to conflict, which are considered hostile to group solidarity. Sometimes it may become violent, involving unethical and unfair means to divert the competitors' attention from sportsmanship, which is outcome of fair competition. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.